a little bit still more phlegm on the basement, okay? So we want to help him to cough properly. So first of all, we're going to give him some tissue, which I don't have it in my pocket. Can you grab me a tissue from the rooms? Okay? Because if you are efficient, it's going to spit out a ton of phlegm. Okay? So Anu, if you want to go a little bit more on the side, it's better for you.
I may spit phlegm.
Okay? You see? Now, as long as you don't watch the patient in the eyes, it's fine. I'm joking. So you can put a towel, you can put a pillow, and then put a.
No direction.
And we ask the patient to hug it there or not. Okay? Now I'm on the belly, am I? Okay. And I ask him to breathe in and breathe out. Hold. So I'm just feeling when it's going to finish. Okay. And in and out. So we breathe another time together, and then the last one, you're going to cough, okay? And after this breath, you're going to cough. So deep breath in and cough. You resist on the belly, okay? You see? Because when we are breathing now, cough normally. Just cough. No, big cough.
I'll just swallow them after coughing up.
Okay. Anyway, I tell you what happens normally. The abdomen relaxes in front. Okay? And that doesn't put any pressure on the base of the lungs again. So if you are resisting him, okay, it doesn't have the expansion of the abdomen, so automatically the cough will be more efficient, okay? You can do that 10,000 times, it's going to breathe better and better each time, okay? Can you do it again for me?
Yeah.
Go for it. Lovely, and I just follow, I'm not putting too much pressure here. So I know where is finishing the breathing, okay? Another one. Now next one you're going to cough. Breathe in and resist. Okay? Resist and go towards the diaphragm.